Now I'm going to show you how to set up a Zapier automation using webhooks. We will do something very crazy, which is whenever a new user subscribe, we will add that user into a CSV file and we will tweet about the user on Twitter. For that, I'm going to go to Zapier and I'm going to click on create a new Zap. I'm going to select Zapier webhooks and you click on catch hook. Continue, continue. And at the end, Zapier will give us this URL. We just copy the URL and go back to zootools. I'm going to edit the previously testing URL for this new URL. Now I'm going to go back to Zapier and I'm going to click on test the webhook. In order to, Zapier is expecting us to send them a new subscriber. So we are going to do the same as we did before, which is adding a new fake subscriber to do the testing. Test 2 at zootools.co, join now. Yay! Now if I go back, you will see that there is another subscriber, another event that happened. And in this case, instead of the testing, we call directly to Zapier. Let's get back to Zapier and let's click on test trigger. Yay! Zapier was able to found the request and this is all the information that Zapier got from zootools. The second thing we are going to do is actually click on Google Sheets. Again, you can automate this as you want actually. So in this case, I'm going to click on create a spreadsheet row, meaning anytime that there is a new subscriber, I want to add a new row on Google Sheets. I just continue my Google Drive and you just select the spreadsheet that you want to use. For example, anytime that I add a new row in the CSV file, I'm going to add the user email. In this case, I clicked on email and that will automatically filled. You can keep adding as many properties as you want. Once you do this, I click on test the action and you will see that happening on the Google spreadsheet. As you can tell, this was very easy, but if you have any doubts, just reach out to us on support@zootools.co. We are here to help you 24/7. Hope this is helpful and happy web hooking. Ciao.